Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Vin Harde. In this video I will give you an overview of medicine which name is Rizek 40, comes in the form of capsules composed of omeprazole. I will give you its overview and tell you its uses, side effects and precautions too. But before starting this video I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notifications of my new upcoming videos. Now let's start the video. First of all, about the uses of this medicine. Read the medication guide and the patient information leaflet if available from your pharmacist before you start taking omeprazole and each time you get a refill. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily before a meal. If you are self-treating, follow all directions on the product package. Dosage and length of treatment are based on your medical condition and response to treatment. In children, the dosage is also based on weight. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often than directed. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Do not crush, break or chew this medication. Swallow the capsules whole. If you have trouble swallowing the capsule, you may open the capsule if it is not sealed and carefully sprinkle its contents on a spoonful or soft. Cold Oplucias. Swallow all of the mixture right away without chewing it. Then drink a glass of cool water to make sure you have swallowed all of the dose. So going further, I will tell you, do not prepare the mixture ahead of time for later use. Doing so may destroy the drug. If needed, antacids may be taken along with this medication. If you are also taking sucralfate, take omeprazole at least 30 minutes before sucralfate. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Continue to take this medication for the prescribed length of treatment even if you are feeling better. If you are self-treating with the over-the-counter product, do not take it for more than 14 days unless directed by your doctor. Tell your doctor if your condition persists or worsens. If you are self-treating, tell your doctor if your heartburn persists after 14 days or if you need to use this medication more than once every 4 months. The risk of side effects goes up over time. Ask your doctor how long you should take this medication. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, get medical help right away. Now come to its side effects. Headache or abdominal pain may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has directed you to use this product, remember that your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects including symptoms of a low magnesium blood level such as unusually fast, slow, irregular heartbeat, persistent muscle spasm, signs of lupus such as rash on nose and cheeks, new or worsening joint pain. This medication may rarely cause a severe intestinal condition due to bacteria called C. difficile. This condition may occur during treatment or weeks to months after treatment has stopped. Tell your doctor right away if you develop diarrhea that does not stop, abdominal or stomach pain, cramping, fever, blood, mucus in your stool. Now come to its precautions. Before taking omeprazole, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it. To similar drugs such as esomeprazole, lansoprazole, pantoprazole, or if you have any other allergies, this product may contain inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. So hope you guys find this video informative and like it. Share this video with your friends more and more. Subscribe to my channel, do comments. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.